стоят этого жирафа двое. Они такие файные. Они просто, знаешь, они такие, они such a good mate. Потому что
Where are you going? You getting the ball?
они такие, она такая файная.
Be careful.
О-о. Окей. 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 Окей.
You're all right. Oh, you're okay. You didn't go under.
Bye.
She thought she was going under. Isabella, can I see your hat again? Can I see you put your hat on again?
Одень кастрюльку на голову. Yeah. Oh.
Oh, look at that hat. That was fun. Callie, you want to wear yours like a hat? Does that mean I'll get water on me? Oh, you guys have hats on.
I will come. Oh, don't drink. Не пей воду эту. Фу. I will go get them some fruit in a few minutes.
I brought some strawberries in my bag too.
Yeah, but you don't have. Don't bring. When you
I
come
just-
here, don't bring it.
I just always have stuff in my bag, so I just grab it on my way out.
Yeah, I have some.
It's easier than unloading and loading it. I just grab whatever's in there.
Yeah, like Shelley. Last night she said, "What do you want me to bring?" I said, "I don't know. Whatever